possibly more Dutch than the Netherlands? That place is Pella, Iowa.
Tulip Time was more than just flowers. It's about celebrating a rich Dutch culture, and people came from all over the country to partake in that celebration of Dutch culture. The activities that they did in Pella were the traditional dancing of the Netherlands, the street sweeping. The whole family comes out, and the men would carry the buckets of water, dump it, and the women would sweep the streets. Got a video, didn't you? There's usually a parade with the traditional floats coming through, and they were available for children to play on, but they didn't actually have the parade. The people of Pella were very friendly. They loved to stop and talk about, how they got there and what they know about Dutch culture, and it was very inviting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you later.